Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to disable plugins in the Google Chrome web browser. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay open lang natin ating Chrome web browser. And then dito lang sa top right corner and select yung 3 dot icon. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung settings. And then dito sa settings, and then select mo lang dito yung privacy and security. So, i-click mo lang ito. And then dito sa privacy and security, scroll down. And then select mo lang dito yung site settings. So, i-click mo lang ito. And then dito sa site settings, and then scroll down. And then select mo lang dito yung content. Okay? So, ito. So, dito ay makikita mo yung mga different plugins as well as additional content settings. Okay? So, nandito lahat. So, halimbawa, select mo lang tong JavaScript as plugins. Click mo lang siya. And then, click mo lang itong don't allow sites to use JavaScript. Ibig sabihin ay i-disable mo siya. So, click mo lang siya. Kung gusto mo naman itong enable, i-click mo lang itong site use JavaScript. Okay? So, ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan. And additional, pag-click mo itong pop-ups and redirects, so click mo lang siya. And then, kailangan mo lang select dito yung don't allow sites. Ibig sabihin, disable po siya. Okay? Kung enable siya, click mo lang itong sites, cancel, pop-ups. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano tayo mag-disable ng plugins in the Google Chrome web browser. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.